This is Doug Vahrenberg, and today I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to put the new MinnKota Talon on your boat. What we've got here is the Atlas jack plate on my Skeeter bass boat, and we're going to mount the side-mounted jack plate adapter bracket to the side of the jack plate, hook the Talon up, and show you how simple and easy it is to install your own MinnKota Talon. First thing we need to do is take the MinnKota bracket, put a washer with a nut, got a washer with a nut, put it on each bolt, put it up here and put your nut on the inside here. Put another bolt with the washer on it. The bottom hole has got a slot, so the top one's going to determine the distance and the bottom one's going to just be where it's at. Put your wrench, 3/4 inch wrench in the 3/4 inch socket and tighten them up. That's pretty much all you got to do to put the bracket on. Tighten them up good and snug. It's recommended to check these things every once in a while because the vibrations and the forces these boats go through can be a tremendous force out there on the water. When we finish up tightening these, snug them good and tight. That thing ain't going anywhere. Next step is to put on our Talon bracket onto our mounting bracket. Now we're going to take our Talon bracket, put our 4 bolts in it to hold it to the boat. You want to put a washer and a lock nut on all 4 bolts, both the bolt head side and the nut side. Tighten them up and you'll be ready to go. Finish tightening all 4 of these bolts up. Make sure they're good and snug. It's a good thing to check those bolts every once in a while when you're on the water, because vibration can loosen any bolt. It's just like your motor mount bolts. You should check them after every so many hours on the water. Next thing to do is to put the Talon in, wire it up, and we're ready to go fishing. The next step is to put in your Talon attaching hardware. Slide that in. You want a washer, a lock washer, and a plastic thread lock nut on each side. You want to spray the display guard like we've done here at both sides. You want the hardware loose, so when you put the Talon in, it'll center itself and then tighten them up. Next step is to put our Talon on. The next step is to put our Talon into our bracket. Just raise it up. get it mounted in the slide. Hopefully. Just need to slide it on down. You preset your stop bolt. Needed about 4 inches from the bottom of the hole. Tighten these bolts up. Next step, we'll hook up the wiring. Just run it through this bracket. Makes a nice clean install to hold the cable so it don't get hooked in. The next thing to do is to hook up our power cables. Positive and negative. White is always going to be your positive side. Hook that up. Hook up your black to your negative. Your green wire is capped, and that is for the audible alarm if you're wanting to hook it to your starting motor. And that's basically all it is to hook up the power to the MinnKota Talon. Next thing to do is check out and make sure it works. Now we got our MinnKota Talon installed. MinnKota Talon comes standard equipment with 2 remotes. You get 2 remotes, 2 lanyards, or you can get the dash mounting bracket. You can mount one of your remotes in it. Just hit down button twice, and our Talon works. Drives once, waits 3 seconds, drives the second time, waits 3 seconds, drives the third time. 2 times the strength of downward force. There's also a rough water mode. Push on the back, turn it on. The next time you drive it down, it'll do that 3 hits. Wait 10 seconds, do 3 more hits. It's waiting time now. And there's our next, repeating the next one. As you can see, the MinnKota Talon tells you the depth it's at. This is our rough water mode. If you want to manually push it up, you can push it up from here. And you can deploy it from the... It's in rough water mode. We can take it out of rough water mode. If you'd ever need to manually raise the Talon, this little cap, you pull it off and you can hook a wrench right to it, raise it up manually also. And there is a flush port up here on top. If you're in silty, sandy conditions, you can flush water through it to remove all the debris from it. That's the MinnKota Talon, all totally contained, nothing messy about it, easy to install. You can do it yourself. Lifetime guarantee on the spike, 2-year warranty on everything else. Go check out the MinnKota Talon at your local MinnKota dealer and get one on your boat or 2.